Experiencing keyboard and mouse detection problems with your Dell docking station? You're not alone. This video provides quick fixes for common issues on Dell docks, like the WD19, WD9TB, WD22TB, and newer USB-C models WD20TB4, specifically addressing USB detection failures. We'll focus on practical steps to get your peripherals working again, including driver updates and troubleshooting techniques. Dell docking stations use USB to detect and configure peripherals like keyboards and mice through a process called enumeration. During enumeration, the laptop's USB host controller sends queries to devices connected through the docking station, requesting their identification and configuration details. Enumeration can fail due to insufficient power delivery, where voltage drops below the required 5 volts for USB-A devices or 9 volts for USB-C, preventing proper device response. Driver problems with the USB hub controller, often from Intel or Realtek chipsets in Dell docks, can also cause detection failures due to compatibility issues or outdated firmware. USB hub controllers, such as the Realtek RTS5490, are responsible for managing the enumeration process and ensuring proper communication between the laptop and connected peripherals. In upcoming sections, we'll explore USB driver updates and firmware fixes to address enumeration problems and restore proper device detection. First, unplug your keyboard and mouse from the docking station and plug them directly into your laptop's USB ports. This helps isolate whether the issue is with the peripherals themselves or the dock. If your keyboard and mouse work when plugged directly into the laptop, then the problem is specifically with the docking station. However, if they still don't work on the laptop, the issue might be with the peripherals themselves or your laptop's USB ports. Next, check Windows Device Manager for error codes. Open Device Manager and look under Universal Serial Bus Controllers or Other Devices for any devices with yellow exclamation marks. Right-click on problematic devices, select Properties, and note error codes like Code 43, which indicates a driver failure. Finally, try a simple reboot of your laptop. Restarting can refresh USB connections and often resolves temporary enumeration issues that prevent proper device detection. Open Device Manager by right-clicking the Start menu and selecting it. Locate Universal Serial Bus Controllers in the list, then find USB Root Hub or your Dell docking station entry. Right-click on the USB Root Hub or docking station entry and choose Uninstall Device from the menu. After uninstalling, reboot your computer. Upon restart, Windows will automatically detect and reinstall the USB driver. Alternatively, visit Dell's support website, search for your dock model, and manually download and install the latest USB drivers. Dell Support Assist is an AI-powered tool that automatically scans your system for issues and suggests fixes. Open Support Assist and run the hardware scan to check for docking station problems. It will suggest automatic fixes for USB detection issues with your dock. Next, run Dell Update to get the latest dock firmware and drivers. Dell released firmware version 1.4.2 in Q 2025 for the WD19TB, addressing USB detection bugs. Dell Update automatically finds compatible firmware for your computer. For advanced fixes, update your laptop's BIOS to the latest version. Outdated BIOS versions can cause compatibility issues with docking stations. Also, disable USB selective suspend and power options to prevent USB ports from turning off during sleep mode. To do this, search Edit Power Plan in Windows and change Advanced Power Settings. Then disable the USB selective suspend setting. If driver updates and basic troubleshooting don't resolve the USB detection issues with your Dell docking station, the problem may be a hardware defect in the dock itself. Contact Dell Support to explore warranty options, as many hardware defects are covered under Dell's warranty policy. A 2025 Bleeping Computer Analysis identified overheating USB ports as a frequent cause of detection failures in Dell docks. Cleaning the dock's vents can help dissipate heat and prevent USB port overheating. Use compressed air or a soft brush to remove dust buildup. For immediate connectivity, consider using powered USB hubs, which provide their own power source, bypassing potential power delivery issues in the dock. If these steps don't work, the dock likely has a hardware defect requiring replacement. Dell can assist with repair or replacement options under warranty. The future of docking stations lies in USB-C docks like the WD22TB4, which provide higher bandwidth and fewer peripheral detection issues compared to older USB-A models. Additionally, Bluetooth 5.4 Plus integration is emerging, promising fully wireless setups that eliminate USB connection problems entirely. For better reliability and future compatibility, consider upgrading to a newer USB-C dock.